How to link Ubisoft account to Steam. To start, open your internet browser and then search for Ubisoft Connect download. Then tap on the first link that says Ubisoft Connect. Or installing or reinstalling Ubisoft Connect PC. Now wait for the website to finish loading. In here, I will read a step-by-step process from Ubisoft themselves. To install Ubisoft Connect PC, download the latest version of the Ubisoft Connect PC. Run the installer file you downloaded with administrator rights. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After downloading, follow these steps. Log into your Ubisoft account. If you do not already have an account, select Create a Ubisoft account. Select Link Accounts. Then the next step is to log into your Ubisoft account. If you do not already have an account, select Create an Ubisoft account, select Linked Accounts. You can unlink your Steam and Ubisoft accounts through the Ubisoft account information page in the Linked Accounts section. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.